Hey guys, this is a hard drive SSD replacement on a Dell Optiplex 7460. Actually, a lot of the Optiplexes are just like this. This one is pretty much kind of straight through video, pretty quick. It's pretty much everything is plug and play. As you can see, unplug the wires, unmount the stand. The other thing pops right off. There's no screws involved in this whatsoever. No screwdrivers, no need for tools. The drive, as you can see, just pops out. There's a little drive mount that has the proprietary, well, not proprietary, but the standard plugs that goes into any SSD. I'm replacing the old SSD, putting a new one in, but it's the same thing if it was a standard drive. Plug it in, make sure everything's secure, and let's put that case back on, which it pops right back on. And as you can see, this video is like less than a minute. It's pretty quick. I think the longest part of this is actually getting those wires back, those USB ports plugged back in. So it does. You might see me struggle right there, but other than that, also I do have a link you'll see down here in the bottom to when you're finished. You want to image this with Windows. I think my link is going to be for Windows 11. I'm not sure what you're using, but it'll be pretty much standard. But I'm going to show you that here in just a sec. All right, so stay tuned.